Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by picking the tool that fits your style. Choose OneNote for freeform, Notion for databases, Obsidian for linked notes. Once selected, make a folder or notebook structure, course, module, then date to keep order. Next, create a reusable template with a clear header, a brief summary field, and a task list. This first step saves time later, so set tag conventions now. It prevents scattered notes and speeds future review. You capture info quickly. Use headings and concise bullets, and add timestamps when needed for lectures or meetings. When you find useful web content, clip or attach PDFs and screenshots. Store the URL as a reference so you can revisit sources. Once notes exist, tag them with 2-3 topic tags and create backlinks to related notes so context builds naturally. This keeps everything searchable. Connecting ideas here turns. You finish by scheduling a short review. Spend 10 minutes daily to highlight 3 action items and tidy headings. Then export or ensure syncing. Enable cloud backup and keep a local copy for versioning. Make sure search and tags work before moving on. Refine templates as you learn the system. If syncing or files disappear, check your internet connection, app update status, and available storage. Also sign back into your account to force a manual sync.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.